Unlock the world of learning, the power of textbooks. Hello, fellow learners and knowledge enthusiasts. Today, we're going to dive into an essential tool in the journey of education, textbooks. These are more than just heavy tomes on your desk. They are gateways to understanding and knowledge. Let's explore what makes textbooks so pivotal in learning the English language, and how you can make the most out of them. Get ready to turn the page to a new chapter in your learning adventure. A textbook is a book containing a comprehensive compilation of content in a branch of study with the intention of explaining it. Textbooks are systematically organized, typically beginning with basic concepts and gradually advancing to more complex topics. They are used by students of all ages, from elementary to university level, and are a staple in structured learning environments. When it comes to learning English, textbooks play a critical role. They provide a structured approach to language learning, which includes grammar rules, the backbone of English language proficiency, vocabulary lists, crucial for building a strong foundation in any language, exercises, practice makes perfect, and textbooks often provide a variety of exercises for this purpose. Cultural context. Many English textbooks include cultural notes, which help learners understand the context in which the language is used. Choosing the right textbook is vital. Here are some tips. Level of proficiency. Make sure the textbook corresponds to your current level of English. Learning goals. Consider what you want to achieve. Are you focusing on grammar, vocabulary, or conversation skills? Reviews and recommendations. Look for textbooks that are highly recommended by other learners or educators. Supplementary materials. Some textbooks come with CDs, DVDs, or online resources that can enhance your learning experience. To get the most out of your textbook, consider the following strategies. Consistent study. Set aside regular time for study. Take notes. Jot down important points and unfamiliar words. Do the exercises. They're designed to reinforce your learning. Review regularly. Go back to previous chapters to refresh your memory. I hope this exploration into the world of textbooks helps you see them not just as a source of information, but as a companion in your English language learning journey. Remember, the right textbook can make all the difference in achieving fluency and confidence. Keep learning, keep exploring, and let textbooks guide your path to success. Until next time, happy studying!